Ah.
Well, I don't quite know how much you each eat.
Well, we'll find out. Huh?
Look up here, Barbara, and smile. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And now you can use some of your hot air.
Oh, you have to
Blow out
make
the
a
candle.
wish and blow out the
Yeah.
candles.
Oh, you're recording?
I make a wish.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you keep it to
I know.
yourself.
What could you possibly want?
I think I want to keep this over my head.
Okay.
That seems simple. And I want nice people around me.
Aw.
All of you.
Oh.
So that takes care of it all.
Okay.
The
Do you want to blow
decoration.
out the candles?
I guess.
Nice.
No, top or bottom.
Whichever one you want.
Woo!
Not in
One went out.
No. There's one down.
Give anybody else the chance to go.
All right, go ahead. Well,
We'll help you out. One more time, Barbara.
Here comes Brenna. Yay!